Hi, you're welcome to my Django app. I'm going to show you how to use the app. Django is a web framework on Python. So here you're going to come and create a room name. You can see I've already opened two web browser. Now we're going to be chatting in real time on both browsers. So first of all, I'm going to create a room name. Say for example, developers. Then I'm going to use a name called sim. So enter room. Also, on this browser, I'm going to use the same name, developers, and I'm going to use a name colony and enter. All right, so as you can see, great. So let's start by saying, how are you? So in real time, you can see this is Simpson. So here we say, doing good. You can see that, right? So when next down, and here I say Friday. So you can see the beauty of the Django web app. We use this to build a real-time a chatbot, and we can always deploy this on a cloud, on the cloud, host on the cloud. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.